Welcome back to the basics of digital audio signal processing and machine learning for audio using Python. This time we are on the code explanation number 2. So we had this code example where we loaded with SciPy and we plotted using matplotlib, and now at this part we'll go line by line of the code explaining everything. So we're starting here with this first line. We know what is import, but what is SciPy, SciPy.io, wave file. So SciPy is a collection of fundamental algorithms for scientific computing in Python. There are many interesting algorithms, very useful, that will be used also in signal processing. So we will have algorithms for optimization, interpolation, for Fourier transforms, for signal processing, linear algebra, some special functions, some statistics, file I/O, multidimensional signal processing, and one of the many algorithms available, there is a session that we are from SciPy.io. So there is this I/O, which is input and output. So SciPy has modules, classes, and functions available to read data from and write data to a variety of file formats. So you can load things from MATLAB files, IDL files, unformatted Fortran, and there is this part here, is the WAV sound files. In here we will have this WAV file. So we are from SciPy.io, we are importing WAV file.